Once you've received your registration email, you should log into Office 365, which you can just search up on Google. We're going to hit login to Microsoft 365 Copilot. Once it loads, you're going to choose sign in, and you're going to enter your WQSB email and password that was provided to you. Just a reminder, you cannot change that password. If you have any issues, let us know, and we can reset it on our end. We will have another video that shows you how to download Office 365 if you need it. Feel free to go through the tutorials. They're going to help you understand what tools and resources you have access to. We suggest you open your apps and pin the more frequent ones. Maybe Outlook, OneDrive. Do make sure you understand that with most of the accounting or secretarial program, the online software isn't what we need, so we would have to use a desktop version. So here you see I pinned Outlook to the navigation bar on the left. So now every time I open Office 365, Outlook will be easy to access. This is just an account we use for Moodle. So I don't have any emails here, but this is Office Outlook 365. This is where a lot of our communication will happen. Using this link, this is how we're going to access Moodle, which stores all of our learning content, assignments. And so once you either click this link or type in this link, you'll get a Microsoft login screen. You're going to log in with your WQSB credentials. Because we're already logged into Office, it logged us in automatically. For most of you, this should start in English. If it doesn't, that's okay. I'll show you how to change it in a second. If we click over with your initials or profile picture, click language, and click English, the entire page will display in English for you. Right. Now, if we in the Home tab, you can see all the course categories. So depending on what course you're in, you're going to click the right. So if you're in accounting online or hybrid, you're going to click accounting course. If you're doing eLearn, you'll click online accounting. You're only going to see the courses that are available to you. You'll only have access to those that we've given you. So if you're in eLearn, make sure you're always using online accounting. So for example, this account didn't have access to eLearn. So I will go back to the regular accounting program. And now when I click Occupation and Training, which is Module 1, you'll see that I have access to the content. You can close the navigation bar if you like. And this is what Moodle looks like. We'll get into more of what we're doing and how we're doing it later on. This is just to make sure you can access the content and get started.